So here we are again. I'm just about to have a go at picking this BSA gun lock. So obviously it says free from BSA guns, so you can't expect anything too secure when it's free. So we'll have a go. That's the key. So at least it's not got poor bidding, it's not too bad. There we go. Lock that back up. All the keys up there. There we go. And we're going to go for top of the keyway. Let's see what we find. Click out on number 4. Click on number 3, number 2. And there we go. So obviously this is probably just designed for accidental loading, firing, etc. There we go. Nice easy little lock to pick, that one. Thank you.